YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item right now, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship this to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is coming from my good friends over at HoHem. This is a iSteady V2 AI smartphone gimbal. So you guys are looking for a new gimbal tripods, this is the best one to get. Brand new AI vision sensor, built-in LED video light, moment mode, gesture control, emergency power bank, 3-axis stabilization, quick roll, ultra light. And this is what you get: the Steady V2 mini tripod, charging cable, a storage pouch, a wrist strap, and the guide. So we already got that going. There's an app to install. It's going to be right there. And once you install it, this is what it's going to look like. So here's the bag, the pouch, and here is the wrist strap. You get a good size charging cable right there. Now let me grab the phone. And how do I reverse? There we go. Alright. This is the app I'm going to download, HoHem. They tell you how to do it. They got tutorials on how to do it professionally if you guys want to. So really cool. You can upload your albums or your videos. Bluetooth connection. You could also no need for Bluetooth. You could also start without Gimbal. So that's the app right here. And now here is the gimbal tripod right there. Little guy. Got their logo right there. Expands like that. Close it back up. Now you're going to want to install it to this little guy. Super lightweight, even without the tripod. HoHem. And there's the light right here. Press that video button. Should take a second. See? There we go. Super bright. So if you're looking for a really good tripod, this is a good one. I want to use this phone. That's that Note 22 or whatever it is. I forget. So many phones out there now. I'm confused. But we got it going. We'll get it right. And you could do like stop motion and stuff like that. They got programs. You could also do. Give me a second. Let me load it up again. And then connect. Really easy to connect once you got it going. But you can definitely. It's pretty bright too, that light. Especially for you vloggers at nighttime. This is a nice one to get. No matter what you do, holds the phone in really good. And you can lock it in place. There's little locks. See, it says lock and unlock. There we go. And if you want to do like this, bada boom. I have it like that. See, it moves. And then you can do it sideways, especially for TikTok. This thing's out of control. There you go, see? But definitely, and like I said, you could adjust this guy right here. Lock it in place. Oops. And I think you can flip it back if I can reach it. There we go. See, the other side controls are right here. There you go. And definitely check them out. Like I said, great tripod, great stabilizer. All you gotta do is click the link. Oh, jeez. Everything falls. All you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, and check out now. Alright, guys, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.